Need silky soups without babysitting a bulky blender? Meet the handheld hero. In our best Immersion Blenders video, we whisk through motors, blades, and attachments that turn chunky chaos into velvety victory, right in the pot. We'll flag splatter-proof designs, dishwasher-safe parts, and budget buys that still bring the torque. From hollandaise to hummus to post-workout smoothies, consider this your shortcut to smooth. Grab a tall cup, plug in, and plunge. Dinner's about to get dangerously creamy. Minimal cleanup, maximum flavor, guaranteed. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. Mueller Austria Ultra-Stick, our pick for best budget immersion blender. If your current gadgets are phoning it in, the Mueller Stick Blender shows up like the friend who actually helps. That 500-watt copper motor means business. Puree baby food to velvet, blitz smoothies to sippable silk, and turn tomatoes into sauce without breaking a sweat. You want performance without the premium tax. This thing's sturdy enough to stand toe-to-toe with the fancy names, proving great texture doesn't have to come with a mortgage. And the attachments? Chef's kiss. Pop on the milk frother to upgrade lattes to cafe status, then swap to the whisk for whipped cream, airy eggs, and next-level sandwich fillings. Breakfast suddenly has ambition. You'll wrestle with one tiny reality. Keeping the attachments corralled takes a smidge of strategy. But cleanup makes up for it. Rinse under warm water, or send the parts through the dishwasher and you're back to living your life. You're not buying another gadget, you're adopting a habit. Weeknight soups get silky, sauces turn glossy, smoothies go from chunky to cheers-worthy, and your morning coffee starts showing off. The Mueller Stick Blender becomes that tool you reach for without thinking, because it's fast, it's reliable, and it actually makes cooking more fun. Ready to retire the bulky blender and level up your everyday? This little dynamo brings power, versatility, and zero fuss, so you can blend it, whisk it, froth it, and call it delicious. Number 4. Braun MultiQuick 5, our pick for best small immersion blender. If your arm is tired of doing CrossFit every time you puree dinner, the Braun MultiQuick 5 is the relief you've been waiting for. Light in the hand and easy on the wrist, it powers through soup pots and smoothie runs without the bicep burn, or the counter-hogging footprint. You'll love the compact blending arm. It's a bit shorter than the beefy competition, which means it lives happily in a drawer and frees up precious space. Clip on the whisk and you're whipping cream, emulsifying dressings, and beating eggs faster than you can preheat the pan. Bonus: it runs quiet, so you can blend without sounding the airport alarm. You're after honest performance, not loud promises. Crushing ice isn't its party trick, but decadent nut butter and ultra-smooth hummus? Absolutely. Raw greens like kale can get dramatic. Give them a quick cook and they'll behave beautifully. For everyday prep, it's smooth sailing. Less mess, more control, and zero drama. You want a sidekick that makes cooking easier, not heavier, with a lightweight feel, quick cleanup, and an attachment you'll actually use. The MultiQuick 5 slots into your routine like it's always been there. Blend smarter, whisk faster, and keep your arms off duty. Culinary greatness incoming. Still searching for the perfect immersion blender? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. Cuisinart CSB-179, our pick for best variable speed immersion blender. If you want a hand blender that actually listens to you, the Cuisinart CSB-179 is ready to take orders. With a 300-watt motor, it powers through purees, dressings, and milkshakes without rattling your wrist. The variable speed slide gives you true finesse. Nudge it low for airy emulsions, slide it up for lightning-fast blitzing, and use the push button for continuous or pulse control when you're chasing that perfect texture. You'll love how it feels in hand. The comfort grip handle stays steady during marathon soup sessions, and the lock-unlock switch keeps accidental splatters in the nope zone. The 8-inch stainless steel blending shaft reaches deep into pots and tall pitchers, so you can tame tomato bisque or whip up smoothies right where the ingredients live. No awkward transfers, no extra dishes. You call the shots. It keeps up. From silky hollandaise to rustic salsas with just right chunks, the SmartStick moves effortlessly between low and high without a fuss. And when dinner is done, cleanup stays civilized. Detach the stainless shaft and send it to the dishwasher while you accept compliments for restaurant-level sauce. You're getting reliability with range, not a gimmick with a plug. At about 0.7 liters of working capacity in typical mixing cups, it handles daily jobs with ease, weighs in sensibly for control, and looks sharp enough to earn a permanent spot on the counter. Whether you're meal prepping, brunch hosting, or teaching Tuesday leftovers new tricks, this stick blender brings the control, comfort, and consistency your kitchen's been missing. Number 2. Braun MQ7035X MultiQuick 7. Our pick for best immersion blender for attachments and control. If you want power, precision, and attachments that actually earn their drawer space, the Braun MQ7035X MultiQuick 7 is your move. America's Test Kitchen loves it for the comfy grip and trigger-style power button, and you will too. With easy SmartSpeed, there are no preset clicks to babysit. Squeeze lightly for chunky salsa, press harder for silk-smooth soup, and tap turbo when you need instant oomph. You're not here for elbow workouts. Active Blade Tech lets the blade move up and down for 250% more active cutting surface, so stubborn nuts, fibrous veggies, and icy bits surrender faster. Pair that motion with a 500-watt motor, and you'll blitz, blend, and emulsify like you mean it, without the splatfest. You run the kitchen, the attachments follow. Swap from blending shaft to whisk for airy peaks or to the chopper for herbs, nuts, and quick prep. Everything detaches in a click, the stainless parts are dishwasher safe, and the ergonomic handle keeps long batches painless. The 500 milliliters capacity cup is clutch for dressings, smoothies, and test batch sauces. You want control, speed, and zero fuss. This is single-hand operation meets pro-level results. Weeknight-friendly, brunch-ready, and endlessly versatile. Blend smarter, whisk faster, chop cleaner, your sauces just found their glow-up. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. All-Clad Hand Blender. Our pick for best immersion blender overall. If you want silky soups, whipped-up shakes, and baby food that actually tastes like food, the All-Clad Hand Blender is your new secret weapon. Its 600-watt motor chews through ingredients in seconds, so you can go from simmer to smooth without hauling out a bulky countertop blender. You stay in control. Nudge the variable speed dial for delicate emulsions, then punch the turbo button when stubborn chunks refuse to cooperate. The extra long 9 1/4 inch stainless shaft dives deep into stock pots, tall pitchers, and big batch bowls. Blend right where you cook and skip the messy transfers. Working up to 1.5 liters? No sweat. You also get convenience baked in. The shaft detaches with a click and is dishwasher safe, so cleanup doesn't eat your evening. At just 2 pounds with an ergonomic soft grip handle, it's comfortable enough for marathon soup season and nimble enough for quick weekday smoothies. You care how it looks too. The polished stainless steel body brings that classic all-clad vibe to your counter and plays perfectly with the rest of your cookware. From airy hollandaise to ultra-velvety purees, from delicate sauces to frothy lattes, this immersion blender adapts to your containers and your ambition. Blend smarter, clean faster, cook happier. Once this lives in your drawer, you'll wonder why you ever poured hot soup into a blender jar. Whew, we made it! That's a wrap! We hope you had a blast going through our list of best immersion blenders. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which immersion blender you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.